I gave you one numerical. Please mute yours. Okay. Yes, Ria, you want to say something? Ria, you want to say something? You raised your hand.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, that day I gave you a numerical. The numerical is, I told you to do that numerical. I don't know how many have you done it. And how many have you done it, that numerical? Anyone who has done?
Sir, I've tried it.
Okay.
Actually, I've
What
done
did
it
you,
also. Yeah, the
can you,
answer, sir.
can you share it in the screen?
Sir, it's on my copy and
Okay. What was the numerical that I have given?
sir, you said 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas initially at 27 degrees centigrade and occupying a volume of 10 liters undergo adiabatic expansion in two
Okay.
different ways till the final volume in each case increases to 20 liters. And you asked us to calculate the work done and final temperature in two cases. First case was adiabatic expansion against a constant external pressure of 1 atmosphere, and second case adiabatic expansion against zero pressure.
So 1 mole of an ideal gas. What you have here? First of all, you all of you take a copy and the calculator, please. I don't know how many of you are responding. These type of numericals are important. So 1 mole of an ideal gas, monoatomic gas. Initially, the temperature is how much?
27 degrees
degrees. So
centigrade.
let us write T equals to 27 degrees centigrade. That is 300 Kelvin. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So now you have to find out this expansion. It is taking place in adiabatic condition. So if the expansion is taking place in adiabatic condition, so you have to find out the W. Now W, it is given, the liter, it is given from V1 is how much?
10
V1
liters.
is 10 liter. V2 is 20
20
liter.
liters.
So delta V will become how much?
10
10
liters.
liter. Okay. So W will become how much? It will be 10 liter atmosphere. Am I right?
Yes.
W
Yes.
is becoming 10 liter atmosphere. Multiply with 101.3 joule. How much does it come? Okay, let me have a hold on, please. Let me have my calculator. Please hold on. Okay. Got the result?
1013 joules.
So 10 into 101.3, that is equal to 1013 joule. So you are getting 1013 joule. Now divide it by 4.2. If we divide it 4.2, it becomes 241.19. That means 241 calorie. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is so. This is in case one, when adiabatic expansion against a constant external pressure of 1 atmosphere.
Excuse me,
Now,
sir.
yeah, tell me,
Sir, Rajrupa is in the waiting room.
Raju, yeah. So this is case one. Okay. Did you all understood? So this is case one. So case one is when adiabatic expansion against a constant external pressure of 1 atmosphere. Now, actually, if it is a adiabatic expansion, Q should be 0. Hello.
Yes, sir.
The Q should be 0, right? And when we go to the second option, Okay. When you go to the second option, what happens in the second option? It is saying that adiabatic expansion against zero pressure. So if it is a zero pressure, we have to find out the adiabatic expansion against a zero pressure. That means we have to use this formula. W equals to, now what it will become? Adiabatic expansion against zero pressure. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between these 2 points, number 1 and number 2? It's changing the screen. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between this number 1 and number 2? Hello?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলছি দাঁড়ান।
Hello.
Can anyone tell me what is the difference between the first point and the second point? When I said adiabatic expansion against an external pressure of 1 atmosphere, one thing that is very much important is here the temperature is remaining constant. That means in the first point, if you see Q equals to delta U plus W, here Q is also 0. Okay, then 0 equals to delta U plus W. Now, as the temperature, there is no variation. The temperature is remaining constant. Therefore, the internal energy also remains constant. Hence, whatever the expansion will be done, it will be only W. Did you got? Did you got? Now coming to the second point. In the second point is, so you found out the W is equivalent to 241 calorie. Now in the second point, it is saying adiabatic expansion against zero pressure. That means the pressure is taking 0. Now when you put that, again if you put Q equals to delta U plus W, now Q is equal to 0, that is delta U plus W. Now the temperature is not remaining constant. Hence internal energy will not remain 0. Hence it will become W will be equals to delta U. Now I am removing negative sign. Or minus delta U, sorry. So if I put minus delta U, now it becomes W equals to minus delta U. So we know that delta U can also be written as minus CV into dt, because CV equals to Hello? Hello? Are you listening?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
sir.
পাচ্ছি স্যার।
এই স্ক্রিনের মধ্যে এরকম করিস না।
স্যার আপনি হোস্ট ডিসেবল মানে
স্যার উপরে একটা মোড অপশন আছে, ওটায় ডিসেবল অপশন আছে।
হ্যাঁ আপনি ডিসেবল করুন না, তাহলে কেউ স্ক্রিনও শেয়ার করতে পারবে না।
কোথায় আছে রে? বল দেখি।
একদম উপরে দেখুন,
একদম উপরে মোড অপশন আছে।
ভিউ অপশন।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ভিউ অপশনে যান।
হ্যাঁ গেলাম। তারপরে মানে জুম রেশিও।
স্যার ভিউ অপশন না, একটা দেখেন মোড বলে একটা অপশন পাবেন, মোড MORE।
আচ্ছা যাই হোক, আমি এখন টাইমটা চলে যাবে, তোরা করিস না এরকম।
অ্যাকচুয়ালি স্যার কেউ স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করছে আর আজে বাজে কিছু ফটোজ দেওয়া আছে, তাই জন্য বলছিলাম। বন্ধ করে দিয়েছে, ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ এবার হচ্ছে কি বলবো, shall I start again?
Yes,
হ্যাঁ
sir.
স্যার বলুন।
তো তারপরটা হচ্ছে কিউ, সেকেন্ড পোর্শনটা হচ্ছে কিউ ইকুয়ালস টু ডেল্টা ইউ প্লাস ডাব্লিউ। ফ্লো যদি নষ্ট হয়ে যায়, if anyone disturbs the flow, then it becomes very difficult to teach in this way. Now, if W equals to minus CV into dt, so since we know that du equals to, what is CV? CV equals to du by dt, right? So therefore du will become equals to CV into dt. Instead of writing delta U, I can write du. So in that case, W can be substituted or equated equals to minus CV dt. Now again, if you do it in the second line, minus CV, actually it will be T1 minus T2, because there is a negative sign. Had it not been the negative sign, you could have written T2 minus T1,
T1.
right? Now, how to find out the CV value? What is CV value? CV is given as 1.5. Because of monoatomic gas, the value of CV is, for monoatomic gas, it is CV equals to 3 by 2 into R. Am I correct? Please note it down. For monoatomic gas, CV equals to 3 by 2 into R. But R is the gas constant. Got? So now you have, now you place this W is how much W you got in the from the first case. It is 241 calorie. So if I write 241 calorie, that is equals to minus CV. Even if we don't write minus, because now minus will be taken off because you are doing it CVT1 minus T2. Hence, there is no need of putting the minus sign. So it will be CV. In case of CV, you write 3 by 2 into R. R value is according to calorie, it is 1.987 calorie. So 3 by 2 into 1.987 within bracket T1 minus T2. T1 was how much? 27 degrees centigrade. It is 300 Kelvin. So 300 minus T2. Now you have to find out the temperature of T2. Can you compute? Have you understood or shall I repeat once again?
So please repeat.
Okay. I have told that numerical 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas initially at 27 degrees centigrade. So you get the temperature is constant. There is no other temperature given in the whole statement of the mathematics. So the temperature is remaining constant, that is 300 Kelvin. So initial volume is 10 liter. It undergoes adiabatic expansion. Now when it undergoes adiabatic expansion, it goes in two different modes. In one, it goes adiabatic expansion against a constant external pressure of 1 atmosphere. From 10 liter, it moves to 20 liter. Now here we have to find out from, we start with the equation Q equals to delta U plus W. Now Q adiabatic expansion, that means Q is constant. If Q is constant, that means we say Q equals to 0. Am I right? So Q equals to 0, if you put here, temperature is also remaining constant. That means delta U also equals to 0. So for whole of the summation, only W remains. Now how to find out the W? W can be find out P into delta V. P is 1 atmosphere, delta V is 20 minus 10, that is 10 liter atmosphere. Multiply with 101.3, it becomes 1013 joule. If you divide by 4.2, approximately it becomes 241 calorie. Now this is the first part. Now coming to the second part. Again we start with the first of thermodynamics. Here we say Q equals to delta U plus W, or dQ equals to du plus dW. Now we know that dQ is 0 because it is an adiabatic expansion. But here the temperature is not constant because there is a pressure is 0 degrees, 0 pressure. So the temperature cannot remain constant. There must be some entity of the temperature which we need to find out. Now it becomes, because since temperature is not constant, therefore the change in internal energy will remain there. Now after equation you see W equals to minus delta U or du, whatever you say. We know that Cv equals to du by dt. From this equation you can find out du equals to Cv into dt. Instead of writing in the above equation W equals to minus du, you write W equals to minus Cv dt. In the second step, you write W equals to Cv T1 minus T2. So here in that way we are negating or we are removing the negative sign. Now W you found out in the first equation, it is 241 calorie. So write down 241 calorie equals to Cv value, I am telling you it is 3 by 2 into R. So 3 by 2 into R. R in terms of calorie is 1.987 calorie. Within bracket 300 minus T2. From here you have to find out the T2 and compute the T2. Now you have understood?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, I have a question. Hello.
Yes, yes. Please put the question.
Yes, sir, can't we do this using T1 V1 to the power gamma minus 1 equal to T2 V2 to the power gamma minus 1?
No, for that you require another pressure because they have not said that in ideal gas condition, or they have not said it in a ambient condition. Here they have never said it in an ambient condition. You could have done it. You will do such type of thing. Even in the book, you could have done it if there was a pressure of ideal gas pressure. You could have taken 760 millimeter of mercury or 1 atmosphere. But here the pressure is specified.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So from here you have to find out the T2. Now if you compute the T2, what will become? How much? Can anyone find out? 241 calorie equals to 3 by 2 into 1.987 into 300 within bracket 300 minus T2. So it becomes, please calculate quickly.
178.711.
How much?
178.711.
I think you have done something mistake. It must be equal to T1, approximately equal to T1. That is why there will be adiabatic expansion in the two cases. Because there is no much difference in the pressure. One is 1 atmosphere and the other is 0 atmosphere. Please recheck your answer. Okay. Once if you finish this, then I'm
Hello, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Yeah, some students are in the waiting room. Can you admit them?
There are no 47. Rajrupa, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Rajrupa, have you got the attendance of the previous one? You have never sent it to me. I have shared your my official mail ID. I have not got the attendance.
Sir, I
Make
didn't
sure.
send it actually. I just wanted to put all the classes together of this week and then send you.
No. Don't do that. Please send by today's one. You send me the attendance by today itself. Okay, date wise.
Okay.
Please do that. And another thing, Rajrupa, all must be hearing. I am making a schedule for the chemistry department.
Okay, sir.
And I will be sharing the number of the other two faculties who will be taking your class. So we go, first of all, let us understand how we do travel. Now,
Sir, I couldn't hear you the last moment.
no, what I am saying is that other two faculties are also going to take the class.
Okay.
So I am making a schedule for all the faculties of the chemistry department, and I will be sharing with you, and accordingly you share with other students also. So for that reason, please WhatsApp me your mail ID. I will be sharing the mail. When I will be mailing to the other faculties, I will include your mail ID also. So accordingly, you can share the same to the other, to all the batchmates of your F1. Am I correct?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Did you understand what I said?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So accordingly, and the other thing is that before 5 to 10 minutes before, they will be sending me, the faculty will be sending me the meeting ID and the password, which I will be sharing with you. Okay. And accordingly, or with the batch itself. So accordingly, they can log in.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The other thing is that there is a certain issue with Zoom regarding its.
Yes, sir. Actually, the coordinators and all the CRs had a
Someone
meeting.
is making sound. Someone is making sound.
Please mute your mic. So yes, sir. So actually, all the coordinators and the CRs have been going on a meeting from yesterday. Actually, so we are trying of in a new platform actually, which is safe. So we have not come up with a plan or anything, but as soon as we will be going through that, we will inform.
Other thing is that you can download WebEx.
Okay.
So WebEx is pretty same of that of Zoom, and we can have also Google Classroom, but in Google Classroom,
গুগল ক্লাসরুম আছে
So
স্যার, করা আছে।
we
গুগল
have a
ক্লাসরুমটা
Google
আছে করা,
with our
ওইখানে
batch.
আপনাকে অ্যাড করে দেবো।
Google Classroom তোদের করা আছে?
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ,
F1 এর আছে।
এই তো কিছুদিন হয়েছে, জাস্ট করেছি, 2-1 দিন হয়েছে।
Actually, sir, still
তাহলে
now
তাহলে
all
এখন কটা দিন এই সপ্তাহটা আমরা এই সপ্তাহটা again someone is making.
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলুন।
sir, actually, not all the students of F1 has still now be like joined in the Google Classroom due to some issues or something. We are checking on that. After that, we can.
The point is that another thing I would like to discuss is that if such students are there who is making so much of it, so I don't like to take the classes there. I will stop taking.
Roll number 1013 and Nagajit Chakraborty and roll number 1040.
What?
এরা করছে, ঝামেলা করছে।
ঝামেলা করছে।
Acha, okay, fine. We will see to it. Sir, what were you saying?
No, if anyone is making fun, and another thing is that please write your name, and because for security issues, you write your name and ID.
Yes, I just informed today to my batch in the official group to write their name and then their ID as your ID, like name.
Yes. And another thing, I want to take the suggestion from you, all the students. Now there are 50 participants. Do you want me to break this? Because I was talking with Rajrupa that day also. Do you want me to break this into 2 classes, 25 each? Would it be beneficial for you?
না স্যার, এরকম করলেই ঠিক আছে, অসুবিধা হচ্ছে না। কারণ আবার আমাদের দুজনকে ভাগ ভাগ করে আলাদা জায়গায় করতে হবে, থাকতে হবে। ওর থেকে এক জায়গাতেই থাকি, তাহলে ডিসকাস করে হয়ে যায় ব্যাপারটা, অন্যরা কি বলছে সেটা আরো ভালোভাবে।
ঠিক আছে, ওকে। But some miscreants, if they do like that, see, I am telling you, এটা একদম ঠিক হচ্ছে না কিন্তু।
কি করব বলুন তো স্যার, এদেরকে
স্যার এই অ্যাকচুয়ালি জুমে হ্যাঁ এটা খুব রেগুলারলি হচ্ছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি।
ওরা কারা করছে
স্যার অ্যাকচুয়ালি এখানে যেটা কোড দেখাচ্ছিল যে স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করছিল নির্বাণা, ও রোল নাম্বার অ্যাকচুয়ালি রোল নাম্বার 13 নয়, ও রোল নাম্বার 9। তো সামওয়ান কেউ জানে না, ও নামটা ইউজ করেছে কিন্তু আইডিটা ভুল দিয়েছে।
আইডিটা সুদীপ্ত।
হ্যাঁ সেটা জানি আমি, এবার আইডিটা
একদম উপরে দেখুন একটা মোর অপশন আছে, ওখান দিয়ে কিন্তু সব ডিসেবল করা হবে।
কোথায় এটা
একদম উপরে।
আমি লোকেট করতে পারছি না, আমি তারপরে
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার আপনি এমনি করান,
যাও আর হবে, ঠিক আছে।
আচ্ছা
এবার
স্যার আমি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স সবাই আই গেস চ্যাটে দিয়ে দিয়েছে, তো আমি কি সেভ করে নেব?
একদম অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সে সেভ করে তুই আমাকে আমার অফিশিয়াল মেইল আইডিতে আজকের ক্লাস এবং গতকালের ক্লাসটা দিবি। এবার আমি শেয়ার স্ক্রিন করছি কয়েকটা টপিক, যে টপিকগুলো আমি just give me 2 minutes time. Can everyone see?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Can all of you see this?
Yes.
Yes,
sir. Sir.
Now tell me. Yes. Tell me.
স্যার আমি বলছি এটা কি প্রেজেন্টেশন একটা?
হ্যাঁ
প্রেজেন্টেশন টাইপের মনে হয়।
হ্যাঁ প্রেজেন্টেশন।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
আমি তোদেরকে জোল থমসন এফেক্ট পর্যন্ত পড়িয়ে দিয়েছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ।
Now এটা হচ্ছে এন্ট্রপি চেঞ্জ। তো এই নিউমেরিক্যালটা কতটুকু আসলো? 200 ওটা approximately it will be equivalent to T1 will be equivalent to T2. Okay. So see, in online mode of teaching, it is not possible for a faculty to go line by line. Now, this is a derivation that may be asked. Entropy change for an ideal gas. Now, you know what is entropy? Entropy is nothing but the rate of change of heat with respect to temperature. So, if you write S equals to Q by T, a simple thing. S equals to, where S is the entropy. Entropy means disorderliness. Now, we are going to the second law of thermodynamics. Disorderliness or randomness. Now, the headline says the change in entropy. That means entropy is a path function. It will have two states of entropy. First, if in a process there are two paths, so in one of the paths, it may happen that the first entropy becomes more or less, and the final entropy becomes more or less in any way of that. So there will be delta S. Now, as I have written it, it is a reversible process, and we have taken a reversible process, and it's an expansion process. And accordingly, if you see that if expansion is done, the work is done by the system on the surrounding. We do not consider the sign convention, hence negative sign of work is ruled out. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Another
Yes,
10
sir.
minutes, I think it's going to get off. And from 6 to 19 again, I will start.
Okay. Okay.
So quickly, I'm going to this. You have dq equals to, you have the first law of thermodynamics, that is dq equals to pdv. And then I think you have understood. Moving to the next page. Now the point it is, are you seeing this equation 5? Now dividing this equation 5 with both sides with temperature T we get. Now I am bringing the parameter ds. So ds equals to Cv multiplied by dt nr. Since ds equals to dq by t and dq equals to tds, now you are integrating within the limits. So you get delta s equals to Cv ln t2 by t1 and ln v2 by v1. This is the main equation, and this is the equation they will ask, the examiner can ask you for derivation. The next part of the equation are just please, who is this idiot? Let's put this dot clause over here. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Sir, শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
Okay, now moving to
So I can't hear anything, and the meeting time will end in 7 minutes, sir.
okay, then we'll again start.
Okay, sir.
I'll share all these things with you. Don't have a problem.
I am saving all the attendance. I guess everyone has given. I won't take it for the next meeting. Everyone, if anyone is left, 49 participants, please give it.
There were some issues with my thing. Anyway, so this is the meeting is going to end another with remaining meeting time is 6 minutes 57 seconds. So
Yes.
now in the next PowerPoint, I can show you that
Hello.
Sir, could you please repeat what you just said?
Yes, system. Uh-huh.
Could you please repeat what you just said?
I told that in the next PowerPoint, this is what I was saying, that entropy change for an ideal gas. You got this. This is given in the book. You can read it. It's already given in the book. So the most important point which I want to reflect right now over here is, slides is not coming. Now, these are the conditions which, are you seeing? Can you see?
Yes.
Hello?
No.
Can you
sir,
see?
we can't. No. No, sir.
Can you see right now?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. হ্যাঁ স্যার আসছে
Now, can you see?
ইয়েস
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, moving to the next page. So, this is the condition where you have to so this is the condition. Now, as there are three processes, because you have three entities. The most important thing for here is, because you are integrating with temperature, you are integrating with volume. Now, this at constant temperature, it will become so accordingly, you see this. These are the equation at constant pressure and at constant volume. These three conditions. So the examiner can ask you any of the three conditions. Okay, now moving to the next slide. This is what we are doing with the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Now, Gibbs-Helmholtz equation is another part of the thermodynamic, the last parameter of the thermodynamic equation. Now, in Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, it is, we are having the three parameters, that is the free energy, enthalpy, and entropy. So accordingly, I have done each and every derivation of this, and you come to the last portion, that is delta G is equal to delta H plus, this is very important, and this is known as the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Now, this is also given in the book, free energy change of an ideal gas in isothermal reversible process. Here, the most important point that you understand is, sorry, this is the most important. Delta G equals to 2.303 nRT log 10 V1 by V2. So the numerical may be asked from this derivation, as well as this derivation is important. Now it is not possible for me to do the derivation over here. Okay. Now moving to the next portion. From the next session, I will take from here onwards, because this portion is very important. If you understand this, I think you will understand everything, because there will be a lot of questions from this particular slide. If I hide the plotting, this will be the most important thing, because if you have the from free energy concept, what is the significance of Gibbs-Helmholtz equation? They can ask you directly the question, what is the significance of Gibbs-Helmholtz equation? So there are, as you know, that G equals to H minus Ts. So there will be the from free energy concept, free energy change in enthalpy concept, and from change in entropy also. So this is very important. Please go through this portion given in the book.
So this meeting will end soon. It's better if you continue in
as well as this.
hello.
Hello. Okay, thank you.
So when
And now
will the
tell,
session
now
start?
6:19. And now quickly tell me where it is, where I can block this one. Any
I
gray
checked.
marks in the screen?
Sir, in the more option.
উপরে একটা মোর অপশন আছে দেখুন। আপনি কি ল্যাপটপ থেকে করছেন?
আমি ল্যাপটপ থেকে করছি।
হ্যাঁ, একদম উপরে একটা মোর অপশন থাকবে আপনার স্ক্রিনে।
নিচে নিচে
উপরে উপরে
স্যার উপরে
একটা গ্যালারি আছে, তারপরে ফুল স্ক্রিন, তো ফুল স্ক্রিন করলে পরে okay, we meet at 6:19. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I was showing you some of the notes regarding the all the things. Now, if you have, do you have the book with you? Do you have the book with you, all of you?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm going to give.
I don't have the book. I'm out of Kolkata. I left all my books in Kolkata, only my hostel. So I'm out of there. So I don't have any book.
Who is this? Who is this? You don't have the book?
No, sir. Sam Shobus here. I left my.
Those who have the book, please mark those numericals which are very important and do it in your house, because these are all solved numericals which are given in the book. So I don't try to repeat all these numericals. You can do it of your own. So shall I start saying those numericals? Number one numerical is example 15. Now this numerical, example 15.
So what's
Example number 15, page number 686. Have you please turn to the page?
Sir, which example number?
Example number 15.
Sir, can you please repeat from the page number again?
686.
686.
686, example 15.
So many people are in the waiting room.
Okay. So example 15. Page number 686. This is a numerical. Oh my goodness, who is making so much of money? Example 15 and example 16. Right now, please concentrate on example 16. That is given in the page number 687. At NTP, 2.8 liter of oxygen were mixed with 19.6 liter of hydrogen. Calculate the increase in entropy. Now, this is a typical example of an entropy of a mixing. Okay, so you practice this type of numerical. From here, we can find out the, first of all, we have to find out the mole fraction and then apply the formula that is given minus this mu T or hello. Now, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in that example, I was saying, if you are following the page number 687, then you can see that there are two things that is given. This numerical is based theory that the entropy of mixing. If you go to the page number based on this numerical, if you go page back to this page number entropy change during mixing, page number 667. This is based on this on this portion. Do you understand?
Sir, could you repeat yourself? The last part.
The last part, what I was saying is, if you see the, just hold a minute. If you see the numerical which is given in the page number 687, now this page, this numerical is based on the theory of which is given in entropy change during mixing of an ideal gas, that is given in the page number 667. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Could you follow? And
Yes, sir.
Now I'm sharing the study material. Now, can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
This is the slide which I would like to share with you. Hold on a minute.
স্যার
হ্যাঁ।
স্যার এই প্রেজেন্টেশনটা আমাদেরকে পাঠিয়ে দিলেও তো একটু সুবিধা হয়।
প্রেজেন্টেশনটা পাঠিয়ে দেবো তো। প্রেজেন্টেশন পাঠাবার আগে বোঝার চেষ্টা করলে আমার মনে হয় আরেকটু সুবিধা।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে।
তো যেটা বলছিলাম সেটা হচ্ছে যে এই যে এন্ট্রপি চেঞ্জ অফ মিক্সিং অফ টু গ্যাসেস, দুটো গ্যাস এখানে দেওয়া আছে 2.8 লিটার অফ অক্সিজেন mixed with 19.6 liter of hydrogen, 19.6 liter of hydrogen. তার মানে হচ্ছে both of the gases are what type of gases? They are your ideal gas. Now entropy, we start from the first law of thermodynamics. We know that the first law of thermodynamics, are you following the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see my cursor. In the book, they have not started from this portion. I have started somewhat early. So I started from dq equals to du plus pdv. From there, I brought the entropy by saying that ds equals to dq by t. Or from here, I have to replace this dq with tds from this equation number 2. Now we get, so I said that substituting the value of dq from equation 2 to equation 1, you get TdS equals to du plus pdv. And then du again, as I told you, that du again is, again du, I told you if you are in the first session that Cv equals to du by dt. So from here, du is replaced with Cv into dt. This is the equation number 4. Now, in the third step, we know that ideal gas equation is given by Pv equals to nRT. So P is, I have to replace this because I have two differential things. This is dV, small change in volume. I cannot integrate until unless I bring the total volume. At the same time over here also, I cannot integrate this until unless I bring the total temperature. So I brought all these things, and you see in this equation, TdS equals to Cv dt plus nRT dV by V. Now this is an integrable, but this is not an integrable. So what we did, since this is a theoretical chemistry, we does not have any experimental verification. So due to the mathematical flexibility, we brought this equation, dividing this equation. But within this 2-3 steps, there are more steps. We at this undergraduate level, you don't require it. Now, why do you brought this temperature? How do you brought this temperature? There are many reasons for that. But we skip in this undergraduate level, which is there in the postgraduate level. So this temperature is dividing this equation on both sides with the temperature. We brought the small change in entropy. And now you see at the equation 8, the volume is integrable as well as the temperature is integrable. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are not, this is the difference between the other one which we did entropy of a mixture of an entropy change for an ideal gas. Up to this much, it was same as that of entropy of a mixture of an ideal gas. But entropy change of an ideal gas, that was same. But here, now we are not differentiating this. Now you see that we say that integration of ds is s, and then we say dt by t is, this is not integrating within anything within the limit. We say it's the total t. So it is cv ln t plus n r ln v. And because there is no limit, so we brought an integration constant. And this integration constant is given as S0. This is equation number 9. Again, further, if we move from here, I have to substitute this V. So V is given by RT by P. So in this equation, I write, now follow the equation number 11. So we write CV ln T plus R ln, instead of writing V, I am writing RT by P. So R ln RT by P plus S0. We consider N here equals to 1 for 1 mole of an ideal gas. Hence, we have this N in the equation number 8 is being ruled out, because now we are considering N equals to 1. Now moving to the next slide.
Sir, repeat this last part, last 4 lines. So,
Pardon?
from the 10th one.
Huh?
Equation 10, sir. So repeat, sir.
Equation 10. This equation 10, yeah, this is for an ideal gas, we know, because we are doing it for an ideal gas. So because this R, L and B, P you cannot substitute anything, but B can be further substituted. This can be written as RT by P. So here we wrote CV ln T plus R ln RT by P plus S0. So we considered N equals to 1 for 1 mole of ideal gas. Okay. Have you understood in this slide? Hello? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
I think there's some problem. I switched to a 15 minutes again. Okay. Now, can you see from this position if I don't make the full screen? Is it okay? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Even if I
Yes,
don't
we
make-
can zoom in and see.
Yes, sir. We can zoom.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you can just double click on the slide. It's on the left side.
Because the big one. Now moving to the so as I told you that S equals to CV ln T, instead of writing R ln B, we did R ln what to say RT by P. So it will become R ln R plus R ln T minus R ln P, and this equation now become S equals to, we have taken CV plus R common, ln P plus R ln R minus R ln P. So accordingly, we come to a conclusion that the, now let us consider, so this is one part of the equation. We got the derivation S equals to CV plus R, that means it is Cp because Cv equals to Cv, Cp minus Cv equals to R, or Cp equals to Cv plus R. So accordingly, Cv plus R is written as Cp ln T minus R ln P, because this already gone, minus R ln P, and now there is another integration constant that is called S0 prime, where S0 prime is nothing but R ln R plus S0. Now, in this case, we are considering a gaseous mixture which consists of number of moles of ideal gas. It may be N1, N2, or dash dash N to the power N moles of ideal gas, each having a partial pressure of P1, P2, and so on to the Pn, respectively. Then the entropy for the mixture correlating with the partial pressure, we get S equals to N1. This is for 1, Cp ln T minus R ln P1. Now we are substituting with P1 plus S0 prime plus N2 Cp ln T minus R ln P2 plus S0 prime plus so on. And then we write, because it is continuation, so we write summation of N Cp ln T minus R ln P plus S0 prime, where P1 and P2 are the partial pressure. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello, hello, hello.
Where P1 and P2 are the partial pressure. We know that partial pressure P equals to now mole fraction into total pressure. So substituting the partial pressure from equation 17 to equation 18, we get with mole fraction and total pressure, we can write S equals to summation of N Cp ln T minus R ln. Instead of writing, now we are writing the mole fraction xp. So you see, x is the mole fraction, and this is multiplied with the total pressure. So partial pressure is equal to mole fraction into total pressure. So in that case, we are writing R ln xp plus S0 prime, and therefore, in the equation, in the last equation, it is summation of N Cp ln T minus R ln x minus R ln P plus S0 prime. This is equation 19. This is the whole derivation of the entropy of mixture of an ideal gas. Now, as I told you, this numerical in the page number 687 is based on 667. So, yeah, numerical number 60. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Page number
Yes,
687. Page number 687, which is having the example 16, is based on the theory which is given on the page number 667. Did you understand? And the same thing I have written over here. Now, let us consider two ideal gases as 1 and 2 respectively, with N1 and N2 are the number of moles of the gases. Okay. Let V1 and V2 are the volume of the gases respectively. Then at the constant temperature, this is very important. That means the mixing is taking place at constant temperature. There is no change in internal energy. The internal energy remains constant. So the mixing two states, there was one entropy and there is another entropy. So final minus initial. So we get delta S mixing will be equivalent to final minus initial. Now what is final? Final is, suppose N1 is the number of mole of the first gas. That is into R, that is the gas constant, Ln. These are all V1, V2, V3. These are all the volume change up to Vn, which has occurred for the entropy in the final. These are the small change in volume. Minus Nr, L, and V1. V1 will be the initial. Plus, this is one state change for one gas. If you take this for oxygen gas, then what is it is mixing with the hydrogen gas. This is the second is the hydrogen gas. If it mixes with another gas, so on, it will continue. Now this become minus N1. If you take common N1 in this equation, from N1 R ln V1 divided by V1 plus V2 plus so on. Plus, this is plus, from here it becomes plus, from here it becomes minus N2 R ln V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Now, if you take minus over here and this plus minus minus, Now, when we take, we know that V1 plus divided by V1 plus V2, this is nothing but N1, that is the number of moles, divided by the total number of moles. Now, when we divide a particular number of moles divided by total number, it becomes mole fraction. So, similarly, V2, it becomes number of moles of the second gas divided by, when you add all the number of volumes, it becomes the total number of moles. It becomes the mole fraction of the second gas. So I have written where N1 and N2 are the number of moles of gases, 1 and 2, and Nt is the total number of moles. X1 and X2 are the mole fraction. So delta S mixing, after computing all this formula, it becomes minus N1R ln X1 minus N2R ln X2 plus so on. In the second, sorry. So in the second one, it becomes minus R summation Ni. I means for number of gases ln Xi. So we will be considering this equation, where my cursor is there, minus N1R ln X1 minus N2R ln X2. Now, keeping this as a share screen, you now move to the example number 15 at page number 687. All of you turn to the example number 16, sorry, page number 687. Have you done it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So here you see 2.8 liter is the V1 and V2 is the total number. When you make the number of moles, it is 22.4 liter per mole. So this liter cancel, so it becomes mole where upward, it becomes mole. Similarly, 19.6 divided by 22.4 liter. So what will be the mole fraction? Mole fraction will be 0.125 divided, the total number of moles fraction is 0.875 plus 0.125. You get this will become 1. So XB also 1. Now the formula is minus R and A. So here if you see my 1 minus, if you take the number of pole R ln X1. X1 means XA plus NB, that is the number of poles, NB plus ln XB. So this is what the equation is in the my cursor where it is minus R N1 ln X1 plus N2 ln X2. This equation will be used in this numerical. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the physical significance of free energy. Again, I have written that from the first law of thermodynamics, we know that Q equals to delta U plus W, where W is the total work done. Work done can be of two types, namely namely expansion work, or which we write W expansion, and non-expansion work, which we write W non-expansion. Non-expansion, remember, always is an useful work, where the delta G becomes negative. W non-expansion work is also called the useful work. So W expansion becomes PdV, and then from the first law of thermodynamics, Q equals to delta U plus W expansion plus W non-expansion. So Q equals to delta U plus P delta V, PdV or P delta V plus W non-expansion. We know that delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V. So Q equals, instead of writing delta U plus P delta, I can substitute this with delta H. So it becomes delta H plus W non-expansion. From the definition of entropy, we know that S equals to Q by T, or small change in entropy, that is delta S equals to dQ by T. From here you can get dQ equals to TdS, or delta Q equals to T delta S. Thus, we come to the conclusion that if dQ equals to dH.
हेलो
Hello. Yes.
सर, कोई मेरे नेम से कोई फेक आईडी यूज कर रहा है। विवेकानंद सर, वहाँ पे 2 विवेकानंद है, और सर वो एविजन वर्ड भी यूज कर रहा है।
सर एक काम करो, जो विवेकानंद है 1040, इसको वेटिंग लिस्ट बना दो, और ये जो असली वाला विवेकानंद है
क्या?
तेरा ही कोई दोस्त होगा।
नो ब्रो, उससे बात की, अपने फ्रेंड से बात किए हैं।
जो भी होगा उसे
So actually someone मतलब ওর নাম নিয়ে অন্যজন কেউ বানিয়েছে একটা সেম আইডি আর নাম দিয়ে দিয়ে এইসব আওয়াজ বা ড্রয়িং বা যাই করছে।
ড্রয়িং তো বন্ধ করা আছে।
হ্যাঁ করেছে, তারপরে স্ক্রিন শেয়ার वगैरह এখন আওয়াজগুলো করছে, দেখ চ্যাটস কমেন্টসে গিয়ে।
সিরিয়াসলি এদের ক্লাস করার ইচ্ছা নেই কেন আসে?
হ্যাঁ, মানে যেটা বিবেকানন্দ সিং লেখা আছে সেটা অ্যাকচুয়াল আইডি, আর যেটা
হ্যাঁ।
জাস্ট উইদাউট টাইটেল সেটা ফলস আইডি।
আমরা তো প্রত্যেকটার মধ্যেই দেখছি বিবেকানন্দ 1040।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ,
ওইটা হচ্ছে ফলস আইডি।
উইদাউট সিং যেটা আছে, উইদাউট সারনেম সেটা ফলস।
তাহলে এইসব
Have the meeting.
but how does he get this password and the that means
না না পাসওয়ার্ড না, ও নিজের অ্যাকাউন্ট দিয়েই খুলেছে, বাট নামটা চেঞ্জ করা যায়, কি নাম
হ্যাঁ,
ডিসপ্লে
স্যার।
হবে ওটা চেঞ্জ করা যায়।
মানে F1 এরই কেউ হবে যাদের কাছে পাসওয়ার্ডের আইডিটা গ্রুপ থেকে পেয়েছে।
सर अपने क्लास का कोई होगा।
अगर
Of course,
ऐसा
আমাদের ক্লাস এখন আর নেই, এখন
goes
সরে
on
গেছে।
can you detect this fellow?
স্যার ডিটেক্ট কি করে করবো সেটা হচ্ছে প্রবলেম।
मैंने अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स से बात किया तो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं मैं नहीं हूँ।
हर कोई बोलेगा मैं नहीं हूँ।
স্যার এখন তো বন্ধ করেছে, আপনি স্টার্ট করতে পারেন আবার।
But এটা যদি if this continues, now when I'm in the flow, see I'm getting this Vivekanand. Okay. How much time left? I think no much more time is left. Okay. Okay.
ओके सर वी कैन कंटिन्यू, बट जो विवेकानंद है वो फॉल्स आईडी, ये सबको बता देना।
So S equals to Q by T. Now, if dq equals to, you just check out my cursor that dq equals to th plus w non-expansion, or delta q. Instead of writing, I can write also delta q. Delta q equals to delta h plus then tds. Instead of writing delta q, I can write t into small change. Okay, meeting will end in another 10 minutes, so I have to hurry up. So T into delta S equals to delta H plus W non-expansion. And hence, this, if you side change it, it becomes minus W non-expansion equals to delta H in minus T delta S. And we know that minus, this expression will be going through free energy change. So instead of writing minus W expansion, we can write minus delta G equals to delta H minus T delta S. In the next slide, you can see it. Okay, I end over here. In the next class, I will show you another 2-3 slides, and I think we are on the verge of completing the thermodynamics portion. Only Gibbs-Helmholtz equation is left. I will be showing you the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, and you practice all the numericals. If you want all these notes, I will share down to the your fellow students. But these type of things are not conducive. Please tell them that they should refrain or restrain from doing all such of activities. They should not say any comments. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's not good because everyone has been using his or her net for studying. They don't understand. That's why they are coming and joining. Had to it been understanding, it would not been not wasting their money also. So I will request those students. So please do not disturb the students who are really interested to understand something. Okay.
This is happening every class, sir, actually, and everyone is tired of this thing.
This should be reported to the concerned authority, either to the academic coordinator or to the people who says to take the classes online. But this is not done. Okay. Before I finish, I am giving 2-3 very beautiful numericals. Please write down quickly. Another 6 minutes 31 seconds are left. The first numerical. What will be the minimum amount of work? What will be the minimum amount of work required to operate?
Sir, please restart.
What will be the? Can you hear right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be the minimum amount of work required? Please write quickly. Required to operate a refrigerator which removes 1000 calorie heat.
Sir, with?
Which
Remote 1000 calorie heat.
Removes, REMOVES, removes 1000 calorie heat at 0 degrees centigrade and reject at 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, in the next class, I know you will not be able to solve it, but this numerical I am giving, please try to solve it. 1 mole of an ideal gas, second number 2, numerical number 2. 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas undergoes an isoergic reversible change, ISOERGIC, isoergic reversible change.
So what's after monoatomic?
1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas undergoes an isoergic. What is isoergic? Iso means same, ergic means change in internal energy. That is called isoergic. Isoergic reversible change written from 25 degrees centigrade, 1 atmosphere to CO2 to twice the original volume. Calculate capital Q, that is heat, W, that is work, and delta H, that is the change in enthalpy. Calculate Q, that is the heat, W, and delta H. Got? Next question. 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas, 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas initially at STP experiences, hello, can you hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Experiences a reversible process by which pressure P is doubled. Full stop. The nature of the process is unspecified, but delta U is 900 calorie and Q is 400 calorie.
So delta after unspecified?
The nature of the process is unspecified, but delta U is 900 calorie and Q is 400 calorie. Written?
Yes, sir.
I have 2 minutes 19 seconds. Right quickly. A. Question A. calculate final temperature and volume at, sorry, write down. Calculate final temperature, comma, volume, comma, delta H and W. This is question A.
Delta HS.
H for enthalpy, change in enthalpy, and W. Question B. Suppose that the gas was taken to the same final state. Suppose that the gas was taken to the same final state, comma, but by a two-step process consisting first an isobaric change consisting first an isobaric change and then an isothermal one, both reversible, full stop. Calculate overall.
So consisting first isobatic change
and then an isothermal one. I have less than 1 minute. Both reversible. Calculate overall delta H, delta U, Q and W for this sequence. Calculate delta H, delta U, Q and W for this sequence. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we meet again on, today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We meet on Friday at 5 p.m.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.